welcome back to Future Homesteader. Today we're going to be cleaning this horse tank, and it is pretty dirty. I'm using a power washer, so let's get to it. Look at that, way better, and all this needs to be dumped. There's something like, look at that. What is that? Wowzer, that's a very cool thing. Looks like a cool thing to do. Well guys, sorry about the not so good before and after, but I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And anyways guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.